Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. I welcome all my old subscribers and viewers back to my channel, and I also welcome my new subscribers and viewers especially. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I say thank you for watching and viewing my video. Thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button so you can get notification when I post again. Today's video will be on how to make organic whitening soap. This soap whiten your skin up to 3 to 4 shades. This product is organic, 100% organic, and it's really very effective. These you're looking at on my screen are the products that I'll be using, the ingredients rather that I will be using. I have all my oil, my organic powders, the soap I'll be using, and I also have the container, the whisk, and the drop that I'll be using to make my soap. So please don't go anywhere, stay tuned and watch to the end. So here is the black soap. They call it, the soap is neither black or white. I think they call it Ghana soap or thereabout. That is the soap I'll be using. I have this quantity left, so I'll just make something little, not that much, for you to see how to make it. So I'll be showing you the measurements and how to make your soap in an effective way. So that is the soap I'll be using. The next thing I'll be showing you is my turmeric powder, then neem powder, that is white rice powder. So I'll be showing you all my licorice powder, oat powder, this is kojic acid, and this here is my black and green balls, anti-pimples and anti-rashes balls. These are the balls I mix in my organic soap to clear all the blemishes and pimples on the skin. It prevents and it also cures pimples and rashes. So the next thing I'll be showing you now is my gigawhite powder. This is gigawhite powder. So next I'll be showing you my salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is for exfoliation, and this is carrot powder. Now this is camwood. Then sulphur. The yellow powder is sulphur, is used in treating the skin too. Then I have gunpowder. This is gunpowder, the one that is black like charcoal. It's not charcoal, it's actually gunpowder for rashes and other skin troubles. I use it a lot. Then this is sandalwood. This is sandalwood. Then I have my miracle healer. It's called miracle powder. Miracle powder is a healer. It heals all skin blemishes, so you need to put it in your organic soap. That is miracle powder. Once again, I need to show you this. You need to mix in your organic soap. So this is a special potash. It's special because it's come in a cone shape and it's rare and hard to get. I use a pinch and grind it in my organic whitening soap. So that is the special potash that I grind in my organic soap to make it effective in whitening and brightening your skin. It gives you up to 3 to 4 shades. Oil that I'll be using, this is lavender oil. This is a fragrance oil to add fragrance to your soap. Then the next oil is jojoba oil for skin glow, and next is carrot oil. The next one is grapeseed oil. Then the next one is turmeric oil. I made this myself. It's hot pressed. That is turmeric oil. I didn't label it. So now this is glycerine. You just need a little in your soap. Now this is omi aro, that is water from dye. It helps with skin troubles. Maybe you have crocro, eczema, any skin troubles. It helps with skin troubles. It cures. Next is palm kernel oil. This is palm kernel oil. It's used in black soap. If you are using a black soap, the original black soap, you don't need palm kernel oil because it's part of the ingredient used in making the black soap. But I am using not a totally black soap. That is why I'm using a little, I'll be adding a little of the palm kernel oil. So this is honey. I'll be adding honey. You need honey. Honey is essential in making your soap. Honey is essential. It has antioxidant properties. So this is lemon. This is lemon juice. I'll be needing a few drops too to serve as a preservative in my soap. So now the container, the drop, the spoon, the whisk. So here is a mixture of all the powders, the organic powders, except the white powder. So I will mix in the white powders and set aside. Then I'll just add to my soap. I just showed you the powders I used. I already mixed this before the video. Okay, so let's get to work. This is the soap I'm going to be using. I'm going to crunch the soap into tiny pieces with my hands. I'll crunch it very well into tiny pieces with my hands. That's what I'm doing. Then I'll add the powders. Here I already mixed the white powders into the rest of the powders. I'll mix everything very well. I'll mix the whole powder very well. After mixing the whole powder, then I'll add to the soap. What I have in here is 1 tablespoon of each powders. The powders that I mentioned, I have 1 tablespoon each, like this. I have 1 tablespoon like this of the powder into my soap. So this is what I have. This is the measurement, 1 tablespoon each of all the organic powders. And I'll turn it into the soap and set it aside. Then I'm going to mix the oil. I have all the organic oil. I'm going to mix all the organic oil into a container and also set aside. I will use the drop. I'm going to be taking 10 drops of each oil and set it aside, mix together and set it aside. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now I added half tablespoon of glycerine, then 1 tablespoon of honey, palm kernel oil, and the water from dye, 1 tablespoon each. That was what I added. So next is anti-pimples and anti-rashes balls. I'm going to crunch it into pieces, then add hot water for it to melt down quickly before I mix it with my soap. So after adding the bulbs, I'll be mixing. I have my glove on because I'm making a lightning soap, I have to use a glove so it won't give me dark knuckles. So this is what I have after mixing it. Then after leaving it, I'll add 2 drops of lemon juice, then the miracle healer mixed with hot water. I used hot water to dissolve the miracle healer before mixing. Then I'll add the oil finally, the oil that I set aside. So that is everything. Then I'll use my whisk to mix. So you keep mixing until you have your desired mixture, until all the ingredients have dissolved. So after mixing, this is what I have. I'm going to leave it for at least 24 hours. So after leaving it for 24 hours, this is what I have. I don't use my soap immediately after mixing. It's not advisable. You have to leave it for at least 2 to 3 days before you start using it. You can see the soap is all adding up. So this is the outcome of the soap. It's adding up. I'm going to scoop it into a very neat container. So this is it. If you don't want your soap to be watery, you can just, maybe you reduce the water you add to the soap while mixing it. So this is my own mixture. This is my soap. I'm going to add it into my clean and sterilized container. So this soap will give you up to 3 to 4 shades. It's very safe and effective. So if you are making for sale, don't sell it cheap. It's actually very effective and it is safe. You can. So that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please so share my video to your friends. Thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. Then we'll see again in my next video. Bye.